Can we still link our Epic Games to Rockstar Social Club? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can still link our Epic Games to our Rockstar Social Club. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So to link to link an account to Social Club of Rockstars, what we used to do is we'll simply head over to Social Club. So search for socialclub.rockstargames.com. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. And now to link, what we do is we simply head over to the account section, go to the settings, and under there we used to have an option called linked accounts. Under there we could easily link our account to Social Club. So let's go ahead and do that here as well. So tap on this profile icon on the top right, head over to accounts, and there you will see settings. Tap on settings, and there we go. As you can see right here, the linked account section is here. Now, after you're here, you will see select a network below to add your Rockstar Games account. Now, there is no option for Epic Games, so that means that you cannot recently or you cannot nowadays link your Epic Games to Social Club Rockstars. And I hope this answers your question, guys. And that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.